All right, so the update for today is blacking out a few things. So what I did was I had this installed, the tint here, to have it like kind of flow through. Got 5% on the back, rear windows, and 35% on the front. So I think it flows pretty good. I like it. I do. What I'm going to do though for today is install these center caps. So this is not a car that I'm going to be using for track or anything like that. So I'm not too worried about the center caps melting while on track. It's not a car I'm going to really use that way, and when time comes, I'll just remove them. It's a pretty easy one. It's a matter of making sure I have the right ones though. So I have two sets. One was from an older build. I was thinking about putting the center caps here. Ended up not doing it though, so let's see which one it is. All right, so let me show you what I've got. It's PPF'd. I know that might look kind of crazy, but it's PPF'd. Anyway, I have these larger ones. I believe they're 68 millimeters, and then there are these smaller ones. Like I said, these smaller ones I had already, and these larger ones, I think they're going to be the ones to fit, but we'll have to see. So these smaller ones would fit in here, and I still might do it. But it's just like I've already gone with the aftermarket wheel. I don't know if it's necessary, and I like how it kind of flows with these, but I expect these will be the larger ones. There we go. Let's kind of have it right here. Voila. I think I might do it actually. And the larger ones fit in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pop them in real quick and see how it looks. All right, each of these come in a little plastic bag. I think I got it on eBay for like $7. I'm really hoping it fits properly. It also has this plastic film on top. So there it goes. And frankly, I think it looks pretty good compared to the OEM ones. Let me show you one, for example. So these are OEM ones, as are these. I mean, I can't tell the difference. And for a pretty cheap budget build, can't see any reason not to. It has the silver rings around it. The blue is the same hue. Looks right to me. Let's get them in. Now what I'm thinking is I'll just, since the M is at the bottom, I'll just line it up so that it's lined up and it's all straight up. I'll show you what I mean. All right, number two. It's a little loose, right? But again, like I said, $7. This one's missing the sticker, but the concept is the same, right? This one's not as loose. And lastly, let's see here. There we go. Again, not loose on this one, but it's the little things. I'm pretty happy with it. This is where we're at. Next time, we're gonna have some things to accentuate the black on the car, keep some cosmetic things going. Anyway, guys, until next time, drive safely.